crude oil long-term forecast for the week of April 8th, fxempire.com. Looking at the light sweet crude market, you can see that we had a very negative week. This candle just looks horrible. We tried to break the 98 level, couldn't do it, and then eventually fell as low as 92 before gaining back $1. Looking at the longer term chart, then, we've been paying attention to this for a while now. It appears that we are forming a bit of a symmetrical triangle. Now, there's a couple different scenarios that we see being possible with this, one of which is are we simply trying to grind our way down to the spring and summer range, which a lot of times you'll see as traders simply walk away. Or the real question could be, are we trying to compress this market enough before an explosion and a move in one direction or the other? We would have to favor a downside move based upon this candle solely, but in reality, you can't really place a trade until you see a break either way. Because of this, we are very agnostic when it comes to long-term trading the light sweet crude market, and we feel it is a short-term trader's market until we get out of this triangle. Alternately, on the Brent market, it's a little bit different situation because we don't have a triangle over here. What we have is simple support at about 103. And the shape of this candle, we originally went to 112, fell all the way down to 104, gained back 80 cents, but this is a very poor looking candle. We feel that the support will be tested, and if we can break down below the 103 level, we could really accelerate to the downside. The thing about the oil markets is they do tend to move rapidly when they do make a decision, so we would be aggressively short of this market below 103. As far as buying is concerned, we don't really have a reason to do so at the moment, although we will monitor the 103 level for some type of supportive candle.